DocuSign is the most popular e-signature tool with over 500,000 customers. But is it the right electronic signature software tool for you? We seek to answer that question as we cover the most important things you should consider before purchasing an e-signature tool, including pros and cons, pricing, and features. If you're already a DocuSign customer, tell us what you think of the product in the comments below, and if you're new here, hit the like and subscribe button to be notified of our future software reviews. Let's get started. DocuSign received an analyst rating of 92 and is currently ranked first in our e-signature software category. DocuSign includes support for mass signatures and in-person signing, integrates with over 350 applications, and allows you to incorporate payment methods into documents. DocuSign has a few cons. DocuSign does not support the ability to edit uploaded documents. You can only upload a limited number of document types and only offers unlimited documents for uploading and sending for advanced solutions users. DocuSign's pricing ranges from $15 to $60 per month. DocuSign also offers a free trial of their Business Pro plan with limited features for 30 days. When evaluating DocuSign's price, it's critical to know that each plan includes a limited number of documents per month. You must pay for additional documents beyond this limit. DocuSign does not provide its own standard templates, but does allow you to create your own. Templates improve document workflow by saving you time and keeping your content consistent. DocuSign includes several advanced features and security measures for templates not found in other e-signature software. For example, you can require a password to access a template. Creating a template in DocuSign is simple. Just upload your own document and all relevant stakeholders to the PDF, DocX, or Excel file. Add fields such as signatures, dates, and names, and you're all set. To add recipients, simply add their names and emails. DocuSign includes an editor that makes adding fields to a document easy. However, it does not allow you to directly edit the content in your documents. If there are any changes you'd like to make to a document, you have to make those changes in another application and then re-upload it to DocuSign. This can become tedious and time-consuming. DocuSign includes 17 standard fields, including legally binding e-signatures that you can add to your document. You can also create custom fields, mark up a document, and even add a seal. DocuSign includes a shortcuts guide, which informs you on how to use keyboard shortcuts instead of your mouse to perform actions on recipient fields. Some of these time-saving actions include duplicating a field, moving a field around the page, and selecting fields on a current page. After you've created your documents, you'll need to manage your document workflow to send, sign, and store your documents. DocuSign lets you customize how you would like to send your documents. This includes choosing if a recipient is an in-person signer or importing a bulk list of recipients for mass signatures. After a document is sent, DocuSign will email you a notification when it has been viewed, declined, voided, or completed. DocuSign will also send mobile notifications on document and comment activity. In settings, DocuSign allows you to send automatic reminders, which reminds the recipient to sign a document, and set the number of days between reminders. You can also set the number of days before a document expires. Overall, DocuSign's document signing process is simple and efficient. It includes additional features not found in competitor software. DocuSign includes a next button that helps each recipient navigate each field and explains what action needs to be taken. Some of the additional features include zooming in and out of the document, adding comments, and viewing a document's edit history. After you have executed your documents, it's important that they are stored in an organized and easy-to-use database. DocuSign's application stores all executed documents in the cloud and includes key organizational features absent from its competitors. This includes the search bar and the ability to filter documents by status, sender, and date. You can also create custom folders to organize your documents. In order to help users further streamline their document workflows, DocuSign has developed software integrations and APIs. These allow you to integrate your existing software applications with DocuSign's functionality. DocuSign integrates with over 350 applications, including Salesforce, Zapier, and Workday. With DocuSign's Business Pro plan, you can use DocuSign to collect the recipient's payment and save their payment information for future changes. It includes advanced features not found in most competitor software, such as being able to collect one-time payments as well as set up recurring charges. These features save you time by letting you get paid instantly and reduce data inaccuracies for manual payments. Signers can pay on their desktop or using DocuSign's mobile app. Audit reports track the important activity and changes for each document. Once a document is completed, you can choose to download a certificate of completion. This includes key information about the events taken on a document. DocuSign includes reports that show you key metrics related to your document and account activity. This feature allows you to stay up to date and make sure that your document workflow is running smoothly. You can easily view metrics like document status, document completion rate, and number of documents sent per week. DocuSign is the most popular electronic signature tool and is used by over 500,000 customers to automate their document agreement processes. It is the most robust software solution in the market, but remains very easy to use. Overall, DocuSign is an ideal solution for companies of all sizes and should definitely be on your shortlist. If you prefer a simpler electronic signature tool, we recommend evaluating DocSketch and FormStack Sign. If you need an advanced document signature tool that places an emphasis on not only signing, but on the creation and editing of sales documents, then we highly recommend looking into competitors like Pandadoc and Proposify. If you're interested, you can try DocuSign today by clicking the link in the description box. Do you agree with our recommendation for DocuSign? We would love to hear your thoughts in the comments below, and if you enjoyed our content, please like and subscribe.